so. Oh wow, it's going pretty quick.
Yeah, what's the
pretty
30
fast.
is pretty fast.
Oh, yeah. There goes the pin.
Well, it's the open gate test, so we tape the gate open. Oh yeah, that top part might go flying that way.
That's alright.
Is it just gonna slip off the pin?
It should break.
It's gonna slip.
Nah, it'll break.
It's gonna break.
Woo!
Yeah. That tape works great.
Yeah. What was the last one?
It was like 9. Alright, this should be at least 24 kilonewtons. It's already much higher.
Whoa.
This one might break a little more with a little more energy.
I'm just
Woo! Oh. I guess it'd probably go out this way and then the bottom would break off.
Or it'll slip. It'll keep bending and slip up the top.
Woo!
Huh.
You see the red line? Yeah,
It's weird.
it got higher than the
And
open
the other
gate.
ones, yeah.
And then it broke at the bottom
That's
like
cool.
I thought it would.
I don't want it.
Ah! It's already crackling.
It's already yielded. Load's going down.
Yeah.
What'd it get up to? Like
Nothing.
4?
Like 4.
Woo!
Whoa.
Sorry.
I want to see it shatter. I don't think it's going to shatter though.
No, I think it's gonna do the same thing.
It's exactly the same. Wow.
Wow.
This one's gonna be interesting.
So go back to.
Oh, we're up to 6,900.
Yeah, it just cracked open there.
Yeah.
So if it was
That gate
secured
geometry
better.
wasn't ass.
Go for it. This is 12.
Same exact thing.
Wow.
Exact same thing.
Looks like the top is failing first. And, yeah, and then down low.
Yeah.
Once it goes into bending. Yeah, I do find it really interesting that it's not failing at the radius.
Sweet. Dude, these are kicking ass.
Oop. Failure. 6.
It's paint you're sanding off.
Well, it's like vinyl actually.
Oh.
Whew.
Damage. So these
Alright.
are the ones where we can. Just a box fan with like a big filter,
Yeah.
you know, a box fan blowing that way. A filter across
Whew.
it. the poke with my fingertips into. So, but if you wanted to hold up the uni for, so actually not very much in the suction freezers days, but chickens and mosquitoes is definitely the stuff that's the most.
Oh, stiffer.
Oh.
Oh, broken out's going for it.
Oh.
Holy shit.